Hi guys, welcome back. I'm excited you are here at Storytime today. Today we are going to talk about trucks and things that go. Do you guys like trucks? Me too. We have a lot of trucks at our house. Let's go ahead and sing our hello song together. Ready? Hello, hello. Can you clap your hands? Hello, hello. Can you clap your hands? Can you stretch up high? Good! Can you touch your toes? Can you turn around? Can you say hello? Hello! Hello, hello. Can you stamp your feet? Boom, boom, boom. Hello, hello. Can you stamp your feet? Boom, boom, boom. Can you stretch up high? Can you touch your toes? Can you turn around? Can you say hello? Hello? Hello, hello. Can you clap your hands? Hello, hello. Can you stamp your feet? Awesome job. All right, well, as I'm sure you know, after our hello song, we do clap your hands. Let's get those hands ready. All right. Clap your hands, clap your hands. Everybody clap your hands. Clap your hands, clap your hands, clap your hands, clap your hands. Everybody clap your hands. Good. All right, let's do our feet. Stomp your feet, boom, boom. Stomp your feet, boom, boom. Everybody stomp your feet. Stomp your feet, stomp your feet, stomp your feet, stomp your feet. Everybody stomp your feet. Good. All right, let's wave hello. Wave hello, wave hello. Everybody wave hello. Wave hello, wave hello, wave hello, wave hello. Everybody wave hello. All right, stretch those arms out. Stretch your arms, stretch your arms. Everybody stretch your arms. Airplane, stretch your arms, stretch your arms, stretch your arms, stretch your arms. Everybody stretch your arms. Nice. All right, ready to turn around? Turn around. Turn around, everybody turn around. Turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around. Everybody turn around. Good, let's clap one more time. Ready? Clap your hands, clap your hands. Everybody clap your hands. Clap your hands, clap your hands, clap your hands, clap your hands. Everybody clap your hands. Awesome. All right. How many of you have ever seen a dump truck driving down the road? You have? Me too. Well, I have got a book for you today all about a dump truck, and we're going to get to see some of the things that a dump truck does.
The little dump truck. I'm a little dump truck run by Hard Hat Pete. Rattle, rattle, clatter, driving down the street. I'm a little dump truck, hauling stones and rocks, bumping, bouncing, thumping, crossing city blocks. I'm a little dump truck, turning at the light, slowing, braking, stopping at the building site. I'm a little dump truck, parking in the road, rrr, 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 dumping out my load. I'm a little dump truck, watching workers build, forklifts lifting beams, big hole being filled. I'm a little dump truck, waiting for debris, excavator scoops, drops dirt into me. I'm a little dump truck, carting out the trash, on and off, warning red lights flash. I'm a little dump truck, driving down Route 10, heading for the landfill to unload again. I'm a little dump truck, backing to the right, tipping down my dumper at the garbage site. I'm a little dump truck, leaving through the gate, riding down the highway to another state. I'm a little dump truck, stopping to get gas. Hard Hat Pete drinks coffee, other truckers pass. I'm a little dump truck, working hard each day. Back and forth, I love my job. Hooray! The end.
I just love the Little Dump Truck book. There are also 3 others in that same series. There's the little fire truck, the little ice cream truck, and the little school bus. So if you guys liked Little Dump Truck, I think you'll really like the other ones too. We are going to do Wheels on the Bus. All right, that's one that most of you probably already know, and it starts with our arms going like this. Can you do this? Very good, look at you. All right, let's go ahead and give it a try. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. Good. What sound does the horn make? Very good. I'm gonna go with beep today. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. Let's do the big engine. Let's give it a try. The engine on the bus goes vroom, 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 vroom. The engine on the bus goes vroom, 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 all through the town. The windows on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The windows on the bus go up and down, all through the town. The doors on the bus go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the bus go open and shut, all through the town. Let's do the wheels one more time. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. Very good. You guys know that one really well. All right, we're gonna do another song about something that has wheels. Now, it's not a dump truck, and it's not a bus. It is a wagon. We have done Little Red Wagon before at Storytime. We're gonna do it without our music today, but I think we can still go really, really fast in our wagons. What do you think? Yeah? All right, let's give it a try. First, we're gonna start with bouncing up and down. You guys can do a little bounce if you want, or you can do really big jumps if you have some energy that you need to get out, all right? Bouncing up and down in my little red wagon, bouncing up and down in my little red wagon, bouncing up and down my little red wagon, won't you be my darling? All right, get ready to turn. Down the hill and around the corner. Whoa! Down the hill and around the corner. Whoa! Down the hill and around the corner. Whoa! Won't you be my darling? All right, you ready for the groom? The wheel fell off and the wagon tipped over. Oh, kaboom! The wheel fell off and the wagon tipped over. Kaboom! The wheel fell off and the wagon tipped over. Kaboom! Won't you be my darling? All right, can you do your patting? Do you remember how we do that at story time? Good, because we're gonna fix it. I'm gonna fix it with my little hammer. I'm gonna fix it with my little hammer. I'm gonna fix it with my little hammer. Won't you be my darling? All right, good, give a shake. It's all fixed. Ready? Here we go. I'm bouncing up and down in my little red wagon, bouncing up and down in my little red wagon, bouncing up and down in my little red wagon. Won't you be my darling? Very good. Whew, that was a huge wagon ride. I bet some of you guys go around for rides in your wagons too. All right, it is time for our affirmations, our words about us. Let's go ahead and do strong. See the strong arms. Good. I am strong. Good. Very good. Now comes brave. I am brave. Good. How about calm? Let's do that. I am calm. All the way up for good. I am good. Awesome. You guys are getting so good at these. All right, we are going to do our goodbye song now. All right, so let's get those hands. Get our feet ready. Do you remember it? Good. All right, ready? Goodbye, 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 friends. Goodbye, 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 friends. It's time to say goodbye. But first, walk, walk, walk. Jump, jump, jump. Run, run, run. And stop. Let's hop, 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 hop. Swim, swim, swim. Dance, dance, dance. And stop. Good. Goodbye, 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 friends. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye.